16.5 File-oriented functions. Already we have seen console I/O functions. These console I/O functions are not suitable for file I/O. File I/O is nothing but disk I/O. A separate set of functions are required, and in the C standard library, the same header file stdio.h. This provides a big set of functions for I/O operations on files. Now, let us consider three core functions of file oriented. The first one is fopen. This is opening the file, for use. It may be opening of a new file or opening of an existing file for use. Its syntax is here file name, and here mode. These two things we have to give as argument. File name, on which file we want to use the operations, and mode. Now, little later, I will explain what are the modes. That is write mode, read mode, append mode, write plus, read plus, append plus. Like that, modes are there. That mode also you have to specifically mention. Not only mentioning the file name, for writing purpose we are opening, reading purpose we are opening, appending purpose we are opening, we have to specifically mention. These should be written within the double quotes. That is compulsory, and that is file open function. Thereafter, file close. Actually, whenever you open a file, you have to close it using this syntax. FP is the file pointer. Little later I explain what is file pointer and all. Then whatever file is opened, whatever the purpose of that, once that purpose is over, the file should be closed. Then only, that is the right practice. Then only, if it is formally closed, then it is handed over to the operating system, and the operating system can allocate that file to some other purpose. Understand? Always you remember. And one more, EOF. EOF means end of file. This end of file, this also we give FP. FP means always understand file pointer. Little later I explain what is file pointer. So, at the time of reading, this is used to tell when file is ended. So that also you can understand practically. These are the basic functions. File opening, file closing, and FPOF, that is end of file function. And thereafter, in page number 851, I have listed out a big list of functions. These are the I/O functions. I/O functions are here you see. Simply seeing the functions, you cannot understand their functionalities. Just have a look. That is fgetC, fputC, fgetS, fprintf, fscanf, all that. Already you have seen console-oriented function. Most functions suppose printf is there, console-oriented output function. Now you can find printf. Console-oriented scanf is there. Now you can find fscanf. So here I have given the list of functions. Have a look. Now whenever we apply, one function you apply, automatically you can understand its functionality. There is no room for by-hearting. Just understand for every concept. Whatever concept you see, just apply. This is totally a practical application-oriented concept. So all file-oriented operations you perform independently. Then only you can achieve command.